Today we'll show you how to translate like a Google paper, like when I want to download something or to search about something or go to make something I want to translate because I don't know maybe like Russian or English or French. Okay, it's for translate. Okay, you can translate it with any language in you what you want. Okay, maybe. Okay, just I do like image. Okay, I don't know. Maybe like this is the French, like this is the French, like to image, video, actuality, video, contours, web plus utils. Okay, I don't know this. I don't understand this. Just now, this is a mouse and go to with the right with your mouse, click and go here to translate to English. Okay, click and finally here. Okay, you can translate to English and will be to English all every page paper in Google Chrome. Okay, okay. If you don't understand like English or French, just go to change another language like this, and you can choose like Arabic, Aymara, Azerbaijani. Like you can choose maybe French if you don't have a French, like Czech, Danish, like Dutch, what you want here, like Turkish, Japanese, Canadian, Indian. You can choose everything, guys. Okay, just follow this as the steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.